Alright guys, so I have the car rolled back here so I can kind of clean up the mess that all this power steering fluid has made. And I was starting to wipe up because it sprayed everywhere. It's on top of the radiator, it was on the valve cover. Hell, some of it was even on the top of the master cylinder. As you can see, it's all over the lid and everything. We're down, as I mentioned, down there. Gotta get down there. It was all over the hood. You can kind of see where some of it was. I'll clean that a little bit better. But it was like all over the hood. Like it's over here too. And I already wiped some of it down because I didn't want it to. I don't know if it's gonna damage the paint, but I didn't want it to, so it was the first thing I wiped down. And then, you know, we're down, soaked down there. I mean, you can still kind of see some of it was there. It's all over the line here, and it actually fucked up the washer bag. So that's cute. I went to go wipe it off, and it like took paint with it. As you can see, it like dribbled down. You can see it was running down. So that's cool. And then you can kind of see where I wiped it. It's really cute. But it's literally everywhere. All over these lines. It's all over the lines down there. It's on the oil filter housing. Nice quality paint work here. Let's see what else. Where else are we? It's all over the brake lines, the hoses, the horns. It's all over the horns, especially that one down there. It's all over the water pump. It's on top of the water pump, actually. I don't even know how it got over there. My new cell was all the way over here on there. Even on the hood. Like in the middle of the hood. There's some there. I mean, it was all over. You can kind of see some of it was there. But it was all over the hood. It like sprayed it everywhere. I mean, it did a little bit out here. If you look on the ground, there's